Hey crafty friends, this is Einat Kessler. Thank you very much for joining me. And today we'll create 3 cards from one piece of paper. So I have here a 12 by 12 double-sided cardstock, and I'm going to cut it into 4 pieces. 3 pieces will be 4 inches by 8 inches, and 1 piece is going to be 12 inches by 4 inches. So we'll have 3 similar identical rectangles and then 1 larger one. So use your trimmer to have nice straight cuts. And these are all our pieces. This is a 12 by 4 and these are the 8 by 4. So we're going to take the first piece and just fold it in half. Just pick the side that you want to be inside and the one that you want to show on the outside, and then fold the piece in half. Use your bone folder to secure your fold. And then you can start embellishing it. What we're going to do is just round the corners a little bit. And then take a punch, a scallop circle punch, and punch the front flap of the folded card. And that scallop circle that you punched, just cut it with your scissors in a spiral shape, and we're going to curl it and create a flower. This is, you probably saw this technique all over the internet. I didn't invent it. I just like to use it. So you just roll the strip and then glue it down at the bottom with some glue, and you have a 3D flower that you created with the same double-sided cardstock, so it's all match. Ink all the edges for more definition and attach your flower. We're going to come back later to this card to add some more embellishments. The second card, you fold it on the 2-inch line and on the 6-inch line. So you create a gate, a double gate that opens to the right and the left. And the third card, you're going to score it. You're going to fold it at the 5-inch line and then on the 2.5-inch line. So these are all the folds that you need to do. And this is going to be an easel card, our third card. Now once you're done with all the folding, we can use this large rectangle for all our embellishment. Just punch out another scallop circle and glue it down under the fold, but only half of it on your easel card. This way, once you open the easel card, the circle is going to pop out. Then create a border with a border punch and attach it to the inside of the easel card as a stopper. So once you open the easel card, it will remain opened. Ink all the edges, and now your card is done. We're going to come back to it and embellish it later. Create another border with your border punch, and this is going to decorate the front part of our gate card. So now I'm going to punch out 3 flowers, large ones. Just crumble the paper a little bit and ink all the edges. And I'm going to layer those flowers one on top of the other with some foam tape to give it more dimension. Glue it down in a way that it will pop out to the left, so it will be a nice opening to the card. And I'm just curling it a little bit, the flowers, to give it more dimension. And another little circle punch for the middle. Now let's add some more embellishments to our easel card. I'm punching out 3 smaller flowers and doing the same thing that I did with my gate card. Layering 3 flowers one on top of the other with foam tape, so we'll get more dimension. And I'm attaching them on the bottom part of the card. Now I'm going to cut 2 more circles and create 2 more spiral flowers, smaller flowers, to add to my first card with a circle window. These are my 3 flowers. And now I'm using the stripe pattern on my paper to create some small banners. This is where you can add your writing, your sentiments, whatever you want. And I'm attaching them again with foam tape for extra dimension. This goes on my easel card, and another one will go on my window card, again with 3D foam tape. Now I want to cut some leaves for my flowers. See how much you can stretch one piece of paper. Can really be, if you use all those small parts, you can stretch it very far and create many embellishments. I also have some white leaves that I cut from the same paper, of course. So this is one card, and I'm punching out even smaller flowers to add as embellishments to my card. Like you see, you start with the larger punches and go at the end to the smaller punches. This way you can maximize your supplies and use everything. And for my gate card, I'm going to also add 2 banners. And I'm going to punch 3 little circles, they're 1/2 inch, and add them as embellishments to my card as well. Again with foam tape. See all those embellishments you can create from paper. You have 3 beautiful cards from only one piece of 12 by 12 double-sided cardstock. So this is our gate card, this is our window card, and our easel card. So thank you very much for joining me. I hope you were inspired and liked this video. See you all next time.